Imagine a future where your home is heated and powered by hydrogen, a clean, green alternative to natural gas. That future is unfolding today in Scotland. In a groundbreaking move, the UK gas distribution company SGN has completed the world's first domestic hydrogen gas network as part of its £32 million H100 Fife project. Nestled in the coastal towns of Buckhaven and Denbeath, this revolutionary initiative aims to reshape home heating and cooking by replacing conventional natural gas with green hydrogen. But what makes this project truly remarkable? Beyond its innovative technology, it offers a blueprint for a sustainable future in home energy. With the global race to decarbonize heating intensifying, all eyes are now on Levenmouth, Scotland, where hydrogen could redefine how we heat our homes. A network built for the future. The H100 Fife network spans 8.4 kilometers, supplying green hydrogen to homes across the region. Over 1,000 households will have access to this renewable energy source, and around 300 have already expressed interest in the trial. Residents opting in will receive new hydrogen-compatible boilers and radiators provided by SGN to facilitate the transition from traditional gas. The hydrogen fueling this project is produced through electrolysis, powered by a dedicated 7 megawatts offshore wind turbine, a perfect marriage of wind and hydrogen technologies. By switching to hydrogen, each participating household is expected to reduce their carbon footprint by an impressive 2,208 kilograms of CO2 annually, with total savings projected at 3,000 tons over the network's lifetime. Community at the core. None of this would have been possible without the trust and cooperation of the Levenmouth community. Max Biret, H100 Fife's distribution manager, emphasized the importance of local support. Having this new network in place means we can start converting customers to green hydrogen once our production and storage site is ready next year. We're still welcoming more customers to join if you live in the network area. We'll support you every step of the way through your energy transition. This project isn't just about technology, it's about empowering communities. SGN is also partnering with Fife College to establish a hydrogen training facility by 2025, ensuring that local gas engineers are equipped with the skills needed for this emerging energy landscape. For Stuart Russell, Smart Utilities Construction Manager and a Fife native, the project is a personal milestone. I was born and bred in Fife and feel very proud to be delivering this world-first green energy project for the local community. A crucial experiment for UK energy policy. The H100 Fife project is more than a local initiative. It's a critical experiment that could shape national energy policy. The UK government is watching closely, particularly as previous hydrogen trials in English villages like Whitby and Redcar faced community opposition and were ultimately scrapped. With heat pumps and district heating systems gaining momentum, the future of hydrogen in home heating remains uncertain. The H100 Fife project seeks to provide the evidence needed to determine whether hydrogen can play a viable role in the UK's broader decarbonization strategy. The road ahead. As SGN prepares to begin converting homes in 2025, the project stands as a beacon of innovation and community collaboration. The success of H100 Fife could redefine home heating not just in Scotland, but across the UK and beyond. Will hydrogen become the fuel of the future for our homes? Or will it be outpaced by other technologies like heat pumps? The answer may lie in the success of this pioneering project. One thing is clear: Fife is at the forefront of a clean energy revolution, and the world is watching.